Today we're analyzing a live trade that is actually being placed literally right now with the BLW AutoTrader, which is the new one or the new version that some of you have actually questions about. So in this specific video, what I'm going to do is that I'm actually going to show you the live trade that is literally happening right now and explain you exactly how the AutoTrader works so that you can get the best out of it. So with that being said, let's go ahead and start. Hey everyone, Christian here on YouTube. Welcome to a brand new video for the channel. Today, we're analyzing a Forex trade being placed by the BLW AutoTrader. You guys will be able to fully understand exactly how it works behind scenes so that maybe if you have questions in regards to it, or if you still don't understand fully what to expect out of this robot, right now you will be able to. So let's begin. All right, for those of you who are not familiar to what I'm saying, this is the BLW AutoTrader. The link is blwautotrader.com. And basically, it's a Forex robot that I created. But I've made many videos in regards to it, so let's get to business. Look, this is the active trade that I have right now. By the way, this robot is going to work with Euro USD. Let me just go ahead and delete this because it kind of gets in the middle. There you go. So it only works with Euro USD because basically what the robot is constantly doing is analyzing the support and resistance level that can be respected based on the last few days examples, right? So right now, the last one trade was $2,300. The previous one was $1,154. And you probably have seen that I posted videos in regards to how the results are actually doing. And we are in profits by this month. We're around, I don't know, 5% or something like that. And the robot itself is quite, conservative, we can say, because it's a robot that actually places trades. This is a $50,000 account and the stop loss is around $500. So we're basically mean that we're placing positions for what, 1% balance on everyone. And we're targeting to have at least 4 or 5% in profits. Obviously, that's not always possible. Sometimes I actually close some trades manually, but that's what the target of the robot is. Okay, so if you notice, if we go into 1 hour candlesticks and we zoom out, we're going to realize that there was a support level that was literally happening in this area. Let me just go ahead and get my pen. So it was literally happening here and it was broken. This is the first moment where the trade entered and obviously we lost this one. It placed a new one and it didn't happen and we lost that one. So right now it opened a third one. Sometimes we even lose 4, but then we have one that is 5-1 and we end up with profits of 1%. Okay. So this is how the robot actually works. I mean, you don't have to understand the entire algorithm or anything because the robot will actually do the work for you. But there is something that you need to know. First of all, I'm actually looking at this robot every single day. Okay, so it's not like I just leave it running there and check at the end of the week. No, I actually have it on my phone so that I can check it every day. And whenever I have my computer on, like I do right now, I always am checking how the trade is actually going. The active trade is actually going, right? And so right now, for instance, if the price starts to go down and it goes really strong down, I can go ahead and move the stop loss. This can be good and not so good because there was one trade, this long trade that you see right here was actually placed last week. And I closed it around this area. It was a 4-1, 5-1 because it was the 2,500. I could have left it running and we would have made $5,000. I didn't. It was my bad. Not my bad. I mean, I knew that the price could go up, but I wanted to make sure that we secure some profits before moving forward, right? And so, yeah. And right now, basically what we're going to do is that we're just going to wait and see how this trade is actually going to go. There's a huge push going up and it reached a resistance area. Well, it broke this resistance area. But if you notice in this section right here, right there is a resistance, well, a support that was respected twice. Another one, this one was respected too. Here, 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 here. So it was respected many times. So we got two options here. Either it's actually going to start dropping right now, which if you ask me, I would say it's not going to just start dropping immediately like it happened here. But even if it closes this trade and we lost 3, then this one, the next one is actually going to drop. All right. Well, at least based on analysis, right? If we go into the weekly chart, we're also going to see that this was respected here, 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 here. No, this one, no. I would say here, here as well. Okay, so yeah, I just wanted to like give you a heads up on the analysis of the current trade that we have. Maybe you guys want to check it out as well. If you guys are part, by the way, of the BLW AutoTrader, I don't know if I should create a group, but you guys need to follow my trades most of the times. Well, I actually post them usually at the end of the week, but let's do this. I'm going to create a Telegram group where I'm actually going to allow pretty much everyone and we can just ask questions or share results in regards to what's been happening during the week. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video or I'm going to announce it on the next video, but I wanted to give you a heads up as to what's been going on with the BLW AutoTrader and kind of give you like a little explanation as to what it is and how is it working. One thing that you need to understand before I finish is that this AutoTrader has been built with a trailing stop, which basically means that it will move the stop loss to profitable sections by its own. So you don't have to do any of that. Okay. There's people who actually have 2 different versions of the AutoTrader. One is the conservative version and the other one is the aggressive version. This is the conservative version. Okay, so if by any chance you actually want to be part of it, you can just go ahead and email my team support at blwonlinetrading.com and most likely they're going to be able to catch up. Okay, so the update is right there. Hopefully you enjoyed the content of this video, and as usual, if you found value on it, make sure you smash the like button to support this YouTube channel. And yeah, that's pretty much it. See you next time. Peace.